A lurcher called Hector has been branded the loneliest dog in Britain after spending more than 500 days at an animal shelter. Staff and volunteers are desperately trying to find a home for their loneliest pooch, who was rescued in October 2017 over welfare concerns. But despite having a small fan club online, the RSPCA's Little Valley Animal Shelter in Exeter, Devon, has been unable to find the 2-year-old hound a forever home. Shelter manager Joe Evans said Hector is hilarious. He never fails to make us smile and is a firm favorite with all who meet him. He's adored by staff, and we can't understand why he is always overlooked. This big lad has lots of love to give, so if you have space in your heart and home, then please get in touch. He's an active boy who is looking for like-minded owners who can take him on plenty of adventures. He especially loves the beach, and we have learned he likes to swim. Hector loves meeting and playing with other dogs out and could live with older children, although he would be best suited to being the only pet in the home. Anyone able to offer the 2-year-old a home should contact Little Valley on 01392 439 898.